Nagesh Karasgi, Orchid School TV channel. Myself Sneha Devdare, your grade 1 maths teacher. So students, today's good thought is something is better than nothing. I repeat, something is better than nothing. So students, we will start with our math subject. Now I will show you something. You have to tell me the quantity of that, okay, the number of that thing. Now how many straws you can see students in hand? 1, 2 and 3. 3 straw, okay. Now in another hand I will take this much. So these are 5. These are 3 straws and these are 5, okay. 3, 5. Now tell me students, between this, okay, between these two, which quantity is more, okay, in which hand the straws are more, कौन से हाथ में straw ज़्यादा है? Yes, remember here I have 3 and here I have 5, okay. Now tell me, in which hand I have more straws? Is it this? No? Then this one? Yes, correct. So these are 5. So this is more, greater, okay, and these are less, okay, smaller. So this 3 is small and this 5 is big or greater. Understood? What we have done students here, we have compared. What we have done? Compared. Compare means तुलना करना. क्या करना? तुलना करना. यहाँ पे 5 थे और यहाँ पे 3 थे, तो हम ये दोनों को कंपेयर किया. तो जो ज़्यादा है उसे हम बोलते हैं ग्रेटर और जो कम है उसे हम बोलते हैं लेस और स्मॉलर. गॉट इट स्टूडेंट्स? सेम वी हैव टू see for the numbers also. We have to compare two numbers which are given and we have to find out which is greater and which is smaller. Understood? One more thing, while counting means like 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, the number which comes first. Yes, listen, the number which comes first is smaller and the number which comes later on forward, it is greater. Understood? That I will show you on the number strip. Come on, now open your Saffron textbook. Understood? Yeah. The new concept which just now I have explained you was comparing numbers. What it was? Comparing numbers. When you compare two numbers, the number that shows more quantity is the greater or bigger number. Same which I have explained you just now. I just took straws in my hand. So 5 was the greater, okay, by comparing to 3. So here also you can see what they have told. If two numbers you will compare, the number which shows more quantity, जिसमें quantity ज़्यादा होती है, तो उस नंबर को हम क्या बोलेंगे? Greater or bigger number. Okay. Now here in the picture also you can see I have 6 pencils. Okay, this boy have 6 pencils. Okay, this boy has 6 pencils and this girl has 4 pencils. Okay, now if you will compare 6 and 4, what will happen? See, here Manjeet has 6 pencils while Fabian has 4 pencils. Clearly Manjeet has more number of pencils than Fabian. Okay, if you will compare 6 and 4, तो कौन सा बड़ा है, कौन सा ज़्यादा है? यहाँ पे 6 ज़्यादा है या 4 ज़्यादा है? Of course 6 is greater, 6 is more. Understood? So how you will say? Therefore 6 is greater than 4. Correct? And 4 is smaller than 6. Okay? Two statements you can make, which is greater and which is smaller by comparing the numbers. Next, using the number strip to compare numbers. Just now I have told you how to use the number strip to compare the numbers. Let us see the number strip to see which number is greater and which number is smaller. When two numbers are compared on the number strip, the number further from 0 is greater than the other number. See, this is number strip. Can you see those numbers 0 to 20? Yes, and they have told you to compare 11 and 19. Now, see, from 0, 11 is near, and from 0, 19 is far. So, the number which is near is smaller and the number which is far is greater. So, automatically 19 is greater than 11 and 11 is smaller than 19. Or else, see, if you will see here on the number strip, 11 comes first. Yes, so it is smaller, and 19 comes later. So it is greater. Understood? One more example I will show you. See, if I will write here 6 and 8. Okay, I will write here 6 and 8. Now tell me which number is greater. Which is greater? Use the number strip here. Which comes first? That tell me. 6. So 6 is smaller and 8 comes later. So 8 is greater. Understood? ये दोनों को अगर हम compare करेंगे तो 6 क्या है? Small है और 8 क्या है? Greater है. Understood? So this is called comparing the numbers. What it is called? Comparing the numbers. Understood? The number which is more or has quantity more is greater number, and the number which has quantity less is smaller number. Now can you see a exercise? Now we will do little bit practice of it. My practice time 5. One more example, shall I explain you? Show you? Fine. See, if I will write here 13 and here 11 I will write. Okay. Now here 13 and 11. Now tell me which is, first tell me which is smaller. इन दोनों में से छोटा कौन सा है? Small कौन सा है? Smaller number which is that? Yes. Which comes first? 11 or 13? 11. So this is smaller. Okay. And this 13 is greater or bigger. Understood? Practice time. Color the greater number. What they have to ask to do? You have to compare two numbers and color the greater one. Greater यानी जिसमें quantity, more quantity. Okay. The number which is bigger. For that you have to color. Now if you will compare 5 and 10. If you will compare 5 and 10. Which is greater? Yes, which is greater? बड़ा कौन सा है? 5 or 10? Good. 10 is greater. So they have asked to color. So if you are sitting with your color box, so you can color it. Otherwise, if the color box is not there with you, you can just put a tick mark. Afterwards, you can color it. Okay. So you have to color 10. Do it fast. जिसके पास कलर बॉक्स है वो कलर करो, अगर कलर बॉक्स नहीं है तो उस नंबर को टिक करो, फिर वापस जब आप फ्री होंगे तब कलर करना है। Got it? Now next 7 and 3. 7 and 3. Now which is greater between this both? Among this both, which is greater, 7 or 3? Who is near to 0? You can use this number strip. 0 के नजदीक कौन है, नियर कौन है, 3 है. So this will be smaller and 7 is far. So this will be greater. Okay. So color this. Do it fast. Okay. Next. See 17 and 3. 1 7 17 and 3. Okay. Now see, here 17 is there and here 3 is there. Which is smaller now and which is greater? 17 is greater. One more thing students, a 2-digit number is always greater than 1 digit. Okay, if you will see one side, there 17 was there, I will write here 16, and there 4 was there, I will write 3 was there, I will write here 4. Okay. So this side you can see 2-digit number and here 1-digit number. So every time this 2-digit number is greater. Okay, and 1-digit number is smaller. Understood? Color that 17. Do it fast. Done? Okay, fine. Now next remaining 3 you have to do by your own. Okay, so this will be homework. ये 3 examples homework के लिए है, तो आपको बाद में करना है. Just put their homework. Done? Okay. Next question 2. Color the smaller number. Color the smaller number. Okay, small, छोटा वाला. Okay. Now 9 and 10. इसमें से small कौन है? Smaller number कौन सा है? अगर दोनों को कंपेयर किया तो स्मॉलर नंबर कौन सा है? 10 ये बाद में आता है, 9 पहले आता है. सो 9 इज स्मॉलर. कलर दिस. 9 is smaller. Got it? Next, B. First pay attention, afterwards you will get time to write. 11 and 16. 11 and 16. Which is smaller? Who comes first? Who is near to 0? अभी हमें smaller number को color करना है. Okay? So which is near to 0? 16? No. Then 11. Yes. So 11 is smaller than 16. Do it. Do this too. Compare the numbers properly. Color it. Done? Next, 13 and 17. Okay, 13 and 17. So here you can find both the sides 2-digit numbers. Okay. So we have to see which comes near, which comes far. If it is like one side 1 digit and other side 2 digit, then we can do it quickly. But here you can see 2 digits. That's why you have to compare it very properly. 13 and 17. Smaller number you have to color. Okay. Now tell me 17 comes first or 13? 0 के नियर नजदीक में कौन है? 13 है या 17 है? 13. So 13 is smaller. Do it. Done. Finish. Do it fast. Completed? Okay. Next. D. 18 and 20. Which is smaller? 18. So color this 18. Next. 5 or 1? Very easy. 1 is smaller. And 12. What I said? 1 digit is small and 2 digit is bigger. So 6 is 1 digit. So this is small. Okay? Come on. Do this remaining 3. (18), 1, 6. Done? Okay. So understood, students, how to compare the numbers? Yes, understood? See, what are the points to remember when you are comparing the numbers? See, check the numbers both carefully, then you have to see whether it is near to 0 or far to 0. If they have asked to color or tick near 1, okay, so whichever the number is near to 0, that you have to color, okay, smaller. And if they have asked you to color the greater number, then you have to color the number which is far away from 0. Or else, in short, you can do the number which comes first earlier, then it is smaller, and the number which comes later, it is bigger or greater. Understood? Now the next one, next concept is ordering of numbers. Okay, what? Ordering of numbers. See students, I will write here something. Okay, 3, 1, 5, 8. Okay, can you see properly? Yes. Now tell me students, are these all numbers in proper sequence? ये correct sequence में है? ये 4 numbers correct sequence में है? 3, 1, 5, 8. Are they in correct sequence? No, they are not in correct sequence. Okay, see, if you will make this in sequence, which number comes first? 1 comes. Then comes, after 1 comes 2, but 2 is here not there. Then 3 is there, so 3. 4 is not there, so 5. And 6, 7 is not there, so 8. Okay, so this is in correct sequence. Okay, the numbers, sorry, the numbers were jumbled. What we have done? We have arranged them in sequence. Okay, arrange them in correct sequence. Understood? See, 1, 3, 5, 8. After 1 comes 2, but 2 is not there, then 3. Then 4 is not there, 5. 6, 7 drop, 8. Understood? So, this is called, what I have done, dear students? I have done the numbers arranged in correct order. मैंने क्या किया? ये 4 numbers को correct order में arrange किया. Okay, one more I will show you. Fine. 2, 1, 5, 3. Are they in correct sequence? ये correct order में है? नहीं है. Come on. Let us arrange them in correct order. 1, 2, 3 and 5. Understood? 1, 2, 3 and 5. Now it is arranged in correct order. Okay. Now students, while ordering the numbers, what I did? देखो, मैंने जब order मतलब एक नंबर्स लेने के लिए शुरुआत की, तो मैंने पहले कौन सा नंबर लिया? यस, 1, फिर 2, फिर 3 और फिर 5. ओके, मीन्स व्हाट आई डिड? आई हैव अरेंज्ड द नंबर्स फ्रॉम स्मॉलेस्ट टू बिगेस्ट. 1 is small ना, कंपेयर टू ऑल दिस. अगर आपने ये 2, 1, 5 और 3 को कंपेयर किया तो 1 क्या है? स्मॉलेस्ट है सबसे. फिर उससे बड़ा कौन है? 2. फिर उससे बड़ा 3 और सबसे बड़ा कौन है? 5. सो दिस इज कॉल्ड स्मॉलेस्ट टू बिगेस्ट. व्हाट इट इज कॉल्ड? स्मॉलेस्ट टू बिगेस्ट. अंडरस्टूड? ये देखो, यहाँ पे पिक्चर दिखाया उन्होंने, smallest to biggest. They have compared the size. Okay, these fruits are arranged from the smallest to the biggest in size. हम numbers compare करते हैं. यहाँ पे उन्होंने example बोल के क्या compare किया है? Size compare किया है. Okay, so first you can see a strawberry, apple, pumpkin and watermelon. Okay, so they have arranged from smallest fruit till the biggest fruit. Understood? This is called arranging from smallest to biggest. That is ascending order. What it is called? Ascending order. In another language it is called ascending order. Ascending order यानी क्या? Smallest to biggest. Okay, ascending order means what? Smallest to biggest. Ascending order. And in simple you will say smallest to biggest. In mathematical language you can say ascending order. Ascending order यानी smallest to biggest. Just remember this. So we can also arrange the numbers from smallest to the biggest. Consider the numbers 15, 10, 9, 19. अब ये 4 numbers हमें consider करना है और इसको smallest से बिगेस्ट तक कंपेयर करना है. ओके I will write here numbers 15, then 10, then 9 and then 19. Okay, 15, 10, 9, 19. Now what they have asked? To arrange from smallest to biggest. Smallest to biggest. Now from these four, which is the smallest one? सबसे छोटा कौन सा नंबर है? Small number. Which comes first? 10 comes. Okay, before 10 what comes? 9. Then 9 is also there. So 9 is smallest. Okay, now cut this. Now 3 numbers are remaining. Compare 3 numbers. Which is small? 15 पहले आता है या 19 पहले आता है या 10 आता है? 10 आता है. तो 10 is the next number. Cross it. Okay? Don't do that cross. It is just for your understanding. Fine. Now these 2 numbers are remaining. Which comes first? 15 and then 19. Okay, so these 4 numbers are arranged from smallest to biggest. देखो कंपेयर करो, 9 सबसे छोटा है, फिर 10, फिर 15 और 19 सबसे बड़ा. Okay, this is ascending order. Understood? See, 9 is smallest of all. 10 is bigger than 9. 15 is bigger than 10. And 19 is biggest of all. Okay? Let us now use the number shape to compare numbers and arrange them from the smallest to biggest. Consider the numbers. Now the next 4 numbers are pay attention carefully. 19, 20, 15 and 7. These are the 4 numbers. Okay? और हमें यहाँ पे नंबर स्ट्रिप यूज करना है और अरेंज करना है स्मॉलेस्ट टू बिगेस्ट. Come on. Now here you can see 7, 15, 20 and 19. Which comes first on the number strip? Which is near to 0? 7. So 7 is smallest. 7 ये सबसे छोटा नंबर है. ओके, इनमें से फिर अब ये 7 हो गया. Now 19, 20 and 15 is remaining. Which is smallest now? Sorry, which is little bigger than 7? Yes? 15. Okay, so 15. See, after 7, which number is there? 15. So 15 will be bigger than 7. 15 also went. Now 19 and 20. Yes, after 15, 16, 17 and 18 and here 19. So 19 is bigger than 15 and the last 20 is biggest. Understood? So in this way we have to arrange the numbers from smallest to biggest. समझ में आया? Okay, so students, in this period we have learned how to compare two numbers, okay, and how to find out greater and bigger or smaller, okay, and also we have learned how to arrange the numbers from smallest to biggest. Remaining part we will see in the next period. Thank you.